Hi guys, here's an introductory video that's going to be related to the building of my cube printer. There's not a lot going to happen in this video, just testing and setting the grounds for a start point. So the printer is going to be 500mm across front, and the depth of the cube is going to be 540, i.e. all the spars are going to be 500mm spars and cross members. So it's going to be 500 wide, 540 deep and 540 high as the base cube. The printer is going to be built inside that. I'm not working from anyone else's design, I'm just making this as I go and planning and designing and printing parts on my Anet A8 as required. So this, as I say, is just an introductory to set the ground and see where we go. Look out for a video maybe once a week with an update. Really depends on how much time I get away from work and how much space I get to do this. Thanks very much for watching. Remember, subscribe and like the video, and I'd appreciate all the comments you can give, as I am designing this as I go, and your suggestions could easily become part of the design that goes into this actual machine. So really appreciate your comments if you have any. Thanks very much. See you in a few days.